Welcome back. And in this lesson, we discussed two important concepts: degrees of freedom and mean sum of squares of two-way classification. Two-way classified data, we learned degrees of freedom and mean sum of squares. In the previous lesson, we have finished the statistical analysis of the model, in which we have learned sum of the squares, total sum of squares due to the treatments SST, sum of squares due to the varieties SSV, and sum of squares due to the error. And now we have to know the degrees of freedom for those concepts, the sum of the squares. So if we consider sum of the squares, for each and every sum of squares we have to express degrees of freedom. Now for which the total sum of squares, the degrees of freedom is capital N minus 1, which means it is k into h minus 1. Since one linear constraint becomes 0, which is summation I is equal to 1 to k, summation j is equal to 1 to h, yij minus y bar dot is equal to 0. Similarly, this is so that therefore degrees of freedom for total sum of squares is kh minus 1 or n minus 1, capital N minus 1. So degrees of freedom for sum of squares due to the treatment, it is k minus 1. It is k minus 1. Since one linear constant again here it is 0, it is summation I is equal to 1 to k, y bar I dot minus y bar dot it is equal to 0. Since again sum of the squares due to the varieties, the degree of freedom is h minus 1. Since one linear constant is also here 0, which is summation j is equal to 1 to h, y bar dot j minus y bar dot is equal to 0. Based on this, by using the assumption of the all the effects are relative in nature, for degrees of freedom also it is true. Therefore, now I calculate the degrees of freedom for SSE. The degrees of freedom for SSE. So the degrees of freedom for SSE is going to be calculated by the degrees of freedom for SSE is equivalent to be the degrees of freedom of total sum of squares minus, and subtracting the degrees of freedom of TSS, SST minus degrees of freedom of SSV. Hope you understand. I write here minus degrees of freedom of SSV. So degrees of freedom of TSS is kh minus 1, n minus 1, minus of degrees of freedom for SST is minus of k minus 1. For SSV it is minus of h minus 1. So now we have to calculate minus 1, this is minus of minus plus 1. I am considering minus of minus plus 1. The remaining is kh minus k minus h plus 1. I am writing as it is k minus 1 into h minus 1. You see, you refer here k minus 1 into h minus 1, k into h, k into minus 1 minus k, minus 1 into h minus h, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So therefore, we can write as k minus 1 and h minus 1. Therefore, degrees of freedom for sum of the squares due to the error is k minus 1 and h minus 1. Do you understand this? This is what you have to calculate the degrees of freedom for total sum of squares due to the treatments, sum of squares due to the varieties, and error. The total sum of squares degrees of freedom is kh minus 1. Total degrees of freedom for sum of squares due to the treatments is k minus 1. Degrees of freedom for sum of squares due to the varieties is h minus 1. For error is k minus 1 and h minus 1. So total sum of squares degrees of freedom is kh minus 1. Sum of squares due to the treatment is k minus 1. For degrees of freedom for SSV, sum of squares due to the varieties is h minus 1. And for error is k minus 1 and h minus 1. So this is what the degrees of freedom. The next concept is mean sum of squares. Mean sum of squares, MSS. The mean sum of squares for treatments, varieties and error. I explained three formulas. Mean sum of squares is sum of the squares divides its degrees of freedom. The ratio of degrees of freedom and the ratio of sum of squares and degrees of freedom. So therefore sum of the squares divided by degrees of freedom, which gives you mean sum of squares. So three formulas are right. The mean sum of squares for treatments. Mean sum of squares for treatments. I'm writing as, I'm calling as S square T. The formula is SST divided by K minus 1. Since sum of squares is SST, its degrees of freedom is K minus 1. Now the second formula, the mean sum of squares for varieties. The varieties is, I am calling as, I am considering S square V, the formula capital square V. The formula is, I am considering SSV divided by H minus 1. H minus 1 is the degrees of freedom for varieties, and sum of squares is SSV. Therefore SSV by H minus 1 is S square V I have considered. And third one, the mean sum of squares for error. It is going to be considered as S square E. S square E, for which I am considering the formula SSE divided by K minus 1 into H minus 1, which sum of the squares is SSE. Its degrees of freedom is K minus 1 and H minus 1. Therefore, S square mean sum of squares for error is S square E is equal to SSE by K minus 1 and H minus 1. So these are the formulas for mean sum of squares, and this is the degrees of freedom. In this lesson, I have concentrated on degrees of freedom and mean sum of squares for to be classified data. Thank you.